Aloha! My name is Benny, and today I'm going to be making one of my signature concoctions. I wanted something that highlighted Sailor Jerry's, and I came across a recipe for something called a Jerry's Pineapple Ginger. Now, I found it to be a little bit bland, but it had potential. I started playing with the measurements and making additions how I saw fit, and I settled with this. So today, I'm going to show you my way of mixing the SS Minnow. Named after the famed shipwreck from Gilligan's Island, this cocktail is a nod to Sailor Jerry's naval service and residency in Honolulu, which is the starting location of Skipper's 3-hour tour. The hint of lime and ginger beer is reminiscent of the dark and tropical storm that marooned our beloved crew. Now, it won't matter you lost your watch in the ocean, the radio is broken, and there's a hole in the boat. You'll want to be marooned on this island. Now, the SS Minnow recipe is as follows. I'm going to start with 3 ounces of pineapple juice. 3.5 ounces of pineapple juice, actually. Then I'm going to add a 1/2 ounce of lime. Next, I'm going to add 1.5 ounces of cock and bull ginger beer. After that, I'm going to add 1 ounce of Malibu coconut rum. And then I'm going to add 1.5 ounces of Sailor Jerry's rum. Now, because this is carbonated, I don't want to shake it up. So I'm just going to stir it in the shaker. I'm going to start with a little bit of standard cubes from the freezer. Stir for about 30 seconds or until frosty. And then I'm going to top it off with some crushed ice in the shaker. Pour that out. Put a little more in the glass just to top it off. Now I am using pellet ice. I bought these trays off of Amazon. I think they were 3 for $10, and I think they make 60 at a time. I will include the link in the description of the video. Now, as far as the garnish on this, I'm going to be using a lime wheel. You don't want to use a wedge. If you use a wedge, someone's going to be inclined to squeeze it in there, and you don't want any more lime in there. And I'm actually going to put in a couple of these fresh pineapple fronds that I just picked. That's looking nice. Forgot to grab a straw. Let's give it a taste. Refreshing. Tastes like a cocktail you'd be served on a yacht. Well, that concludes this video. If you enjoyed what you see, please like and subscribe. Cheers.